this is Kim with Geauga Firearms Academy. Today I'm here to tell you about a girl and a gun and some exciting news. I was recently asked to become a facilitator for our local chapter and I agreed. So what is a girl and a gun? Girl and a Gun is a club created by women shooters for women shooters. So whether if you want to be a defender, you want to be a competitor, or just want a fun, casual night out with some other women shooters, a Girl and a Gun's for you. So if you are local in Northeast Ohio, I'll be running that chapter and I will have a meet and greet info night coming up. So I'll put the details in the description below. Or if you follow us on Facebook, there'll also be an event there with all that information. And if you're not, they have plenty of chapters throughout the country so you can see if there's one near you. What do we do at a Girl and a Gun? We have range nights where we meet for supervised range time and we all get together and we have certain targets we work on. We have clinics where I'm gonna have everything from self-defense to gun cleaning and so much more, and then other fun events and like breakfast with bullets and even some couple or family days. If you're local, come check out my chapter, or you can go check out a chapter in your area. And if you decide to join, they have a lot of opportunities to win gun and gear. They have discounts on certain firearms, like Walther offers a discount. They offer discounts on just different places like Adobe and Ace Hardware and a whole bunch of other places. You'll get a little swag bag with all these goodies inside. And if you're really into it, they do quarterly matches and even have conferences where you can go out and get some training. One other thing that really drew me to them is they do a lot of giving back. They do a lot of fundraising for domestic violence and also pediatric brain cancer. The director actually had a daughter who had it. So lots of good things giving back. If you're interested in Girl and a Gun, I'll put links below, or if you know anyone who might be interested, please share this video.